students. Today we will learn about writing procedure. Generally, the word procedure refers to the method of doing a particular task. The series of steps you follow to switch on a computer is an example of a procedure. In Logo, a procedure is a set of logo commands given one after the other to perform a particular task. Each procedure should always be given a particular name. For example, the commands given in the input box to draw a square can be given a name, square. Once you have defined a procedure, you can execute it by typing its name into the input box and pressing the Enter key. A procedure has three parts: title line, body, and end line. Title line. It allows you to give a name to the procedure. It always starts with the word to. Body. It contains all the primitives for drawing a desired figure. End line. It contains the word end, which conveys to the computer that primitives in the procedure are over. Rules for naming procedures in MSW Logo. While writing a procedure name, we must keep certain points in our mind that are as follows. A procedure name can have numbers, symbols, and alphabets. The first character of a procedure name should always be an alphabet. A procedure name can neither have any blank spaces nor any arithmetic operators. We should not use any logo command as a procedure name. Procedures are kept in memory as part of a Logo workspace. Students know the fact that workspace is a collection of all the Logo procedures present in memory. This workspace can be saved and located just like other documents. Students know that we can either use small or capital letters or a mixture of these to write a procedure name. Let us learn how to define a procedure using the input box. To name a procedure, the following points should be kept in mind. Click in the input box. Type in to followed by the name of the procedure. Example, to triangle, and press the Enter key. The to mode input box will appear. Enter the primitives one after the other by pressing the Enter key. When all the primitives are entered, type in end and press the Enter key. The procedure will be defined. To execute the procedure, type the procedure name triangle in the input box and press the Enter key. Let us learn how to edit the procedure using the Edit window. Click in the input box and type in Edit procedure name. For example, edit triangle. The editor window appears. Leave a space after edit and no space between the quote and the name of the procedure. Write and edit the primitives between to procedure name and end command. For example, enter the line of quotes to draw a triangle as given below. To triangle, home, CS, FD 100, RT 120, FD 100, RT 120, FD 100, RT 120, end. Close the editor window by selecting File, then go to Exit. Click on Yes if you want to save the changes. It will save the contents to Workspace. To run the procedure, type the procedure name. For example, triangle in the input box and then press the Enter key. Let us understand how to save work in MSW Logo. Whenever you define a procedure, it is saved in the primary memory that is volatile in nature. Thus, you need to save the procedure in the secondary memory to reuse it later. You can save a procedure in two ways. By typing Save command in Command Input box. Click in the input box to make it active and type Save, procedure name, comma, and press the Enter key. Note that the name should be preceded by double quotes. By choosing Save option from the File menu, click on the File menu. Select the Save option. Define the name in File Name text box. Click on the Save button. Students, let us know more. You can save an already saved file by giving another name using the Save As command. The file saved in Logo will have an extension .lgo. MSW Logo saves file in simple text format. You could then use any word processor to open a Logo file. Now let us talk about loading a procedure. Once the procedure is saved, you can recall it anytime from the hard disk to memory. For this, load command is used. Type load procedure name in the input box of the commander window and press enter. Example load triangle enter, or click on the file, then go to load and then select the disk or directory where from your file is to be loaded and click on the open button. Now let us talk about erasing a procedure. We can erase a procedure by using the following syntax. Erase, double quote in procedure name, enter. If you type the procedure name without using double quotes and press the enter key, the computer will display an error message. That is, double quote in triangle didn't output to erase, double quote close. Now type the correct command, erase, double quote in triangle and press enter. Logo will delete the triangle procedure. After that, if we try to run the procedure, the computer displays an error message. I don't know how to triangle. This indicates that the procedure name triangle has been deleted. Now let us talk about repeat command. As we have seen earlier, to draw a particular drawing, we have to repeat the commands. In order to avoid repetition, Logo has a repeat command. It is used to run the instructions list repeatedly. Using repeat, we write primitives in one line instead of writing them in a number of lines for drawing any figure. Type repeat followed by the number of times required to repeat the instructions list, and then the Logo primitives, which are to be repeated. For example, repeat, bracket in number, bracket close, bracket in command, bracket close. Write a program without using repeat command and then write it again using repeat command. Compare both the methods. Drawing a triangle without repeat. FD100 enter. RT120 enter. FD100 enter. RT120 enter. FD100 enter. RT120 enter. In this program, we have seen that FD and RT commands are repeated 3 times. Drawing a triangle with repeat. Repeat 3 bracket in FD100 RT120 bracket close, enter. We find that the same program is written in a single line using repeat command. Here the number 3 after repeat primitive tells the computer to repeat the written commands 3 times. Drawing a square 4 sides. Turtle turns 90 degrees. Repeat 4. Bracket in FD100 RT90 bracket close. Hexagon 6 sides. Turtle turns 60 degree. Repeat 6. Bracket in FD100 RT60 bracket close. Pentagon 5 sides. Turtle turns 72 degree. Repeat 5 bracket in FD100 RT72 bracket close. Star with 5 sides, turtle turns 144 degrees. Repeat 5 bracket in FD120 RT144 bracket close. Alright students, let us discuss about primitive and program. Now let us learn about drawing circles with repeat command. Circle. A circle can be drawn using repeat command. A full circle is drawn using 360 degree and a semicircle using 180 degree. Repeat 360 bracket in FD1RT1 bracket close, enter. For example, to reduce the size of a circle, increase the number of steps in FD command and number of degrees in RT command. Depending on the number of repetitions, the size will decrease, as shown in figure. Repeat 360 bracket in FD5 RT10 bracket close, enter. The table given below helps us to know the exact number of turns required to draw a full circle. Commands 360 divided by n times. Number of repeats. Commands 360 divided by n times. RT5. Number of repeat 72. RT10 36. RT15 24. RT20 18. RT30 12. RT40 9. RT60 6. For example, to draw a semicircle, type the following command. CS enter. Repeat 180 bracket in FD1 RT1 bracket close, enter. Alright students, now let us talk about using procedure. To execute the procedure, type circle in the input box and press the enter key. Try the following procedure. To circle, repeat 36 bracket in FD5 RT10 bracket close. End. For example, to grow circle, repeat 36 square bracketed FD2 RT10 square bracket close. Repeat 36 bracket in FD4 RT10 bracket close. Repeat 36 bracket in FD6 RT10 bracket close. Repeat 36 bracket in FD8 RT10 bracket close. End. To run this procedure, type grow circle in input box and press the enter key. Students, know the fact that we can write a procedure in two ways, using the input box or using the editor window. Okay students, can you tell me which figure will be drawn when you give the following commands? Repeat 180 bracket in FD1 RT1 bracket close. Repeat 180 bracket in FD1 LT1 bracket close. Now let us talk about filling colors in a circle. In logo, you can fill colors in the pictures. While filling the color, the turtle should be placed inside the picture to be filled. Create a procedure to define a circle and save it with the name circle. Type circle. Press the enter key. Now click on Set option in menu bar and select the flood color option. The flood color dialog box will appear. Select any color of your choice and click OK. Now type circle in the input box and press the enter key. The circle will be drawn on the screen. Now type the given primitives to bring the turtle inside the circle and fill color. For example, RT90, PU, FT10, fill. The moment you press the enter key, the color will get filled in the circle. Students, know the fact that using the Set menu, you can change the pen size, color and font. Click on Set, then go to Label Font. The Font dialog box displays the choice of font sizes and styles to choose. To change the pen color, select the Set, then go to Pen Color option.